Welcome back to my channel.
Hello kids, today we are going to learn k sound. Let's proceed with the story. Mr. Khan has hired a car and the family decides to drive it to the nearby village to visit the castle there. On the way, they pass a donkey carrying a bundle of sticks. After they have seen the castle, the Khan family comes back to the village for a snack. Outside the cafe is the same donkey they saw before, enjoying a rest and a bucket of water. While the family is eating, a cat and her kittens play outside. As the clock strikes 4, some Spanish dancers skip into the courtyard in the front of the cafe. The lady carry cashew nuts and wear dresses in bright crimson, yellow, and black. They clap and dance, swirling their dresses around and clicking the cashew nuts.
Cat.
We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky.
I hope you are clear with both the k sounds. The first one is curly k, the second one is kicking k. Let's practice and blend the sounds together. K, a, p, cap. K, I, t, kit. K, I, n, kin. K, a, n, can. S, a, k, sack. P, a, k, pack. K, a, t, cat. K, I, p, kip. T, a, g, tank. P, I, g, pick.
Thank you for watching.